Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the Yapme Education's YouTube channels. So today I will discuss the Cambridge International AS and A levels, Mathematics, Paper 5, Property and Statistics 1, 9709/05 for examination 2020. Okay, so now we try look question 1. Okay, we'll try to look at the question 1. Okay, the following back-to-back stem and leaf diagram show an annual salary of a group of 39 females and 39 males. Okay, so let's see the A. Find the median and quarters of the female salary. Okay, so for the quarter, actually we need to find the Q1 and Q3. Okay, so first, okay, we need to find the median. So, okay, how we need to find it? So actually, we can take, because you see it's 39, right? So 9 is 19. It means here is 20. Side is 19. So I take this 20 lah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, which one? So I calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 as here. Okay, so I take 2 to 700. And I write the symbol dollar. Okay, now we see the Q3. Okay, Q3 we should be take 3 over 4 times 39. So it equals to 29.25. So we should be take 13s. Okay, here is 20s, right? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 13. 13 is here. So you can take this dollar 24 thousands. Okay, so now we try to look at the question one, Q1. Okay, first quarter. So actually we take 1 over 4 times 39. We'll get 19, get 9.75 approximated to 10. Okay, so now we'll calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here. Okay, so we take $20 is 21,700. Okay, so now we can get the marks lah. Okay, now we try to look at the next question. You are given that the median salary for the males is $24,000. The lower quarter is 22,600 and upper quarter is 25,300. Okay, so now we look at the B. Draw a pair of the box and weakest plot in a single diagram or the grid below to represent the data. So how we need to sketch for this graph? Okay, so first I will sketch the straight line first. Okay, until here. Okay, so I will label 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Here is 27. So here actually it represents for salary lah. Okay, so now we look at I sketch for the female first. So we look, okay, the female actually the minimum actually at 20,000. So we can sketch here. Okay, now we see the median first. Okay, median is actually at 22,000. Okay, 700. So we can try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here. Okay, until here. So now we try to look at, okay, lower quarter. So image Q1 is 21. 21,700, 567. So here. Okay, look at here. Okay, now we try look at the, okay, 24,000 is easy, is here. So now we need to complete the, or we close the log. Okay, now we look at the maximum. What is the maximum salary for the females is 26,500. 26,500. So we try to look here. Okay, we try to look at, draw the straight line. Okay, but please don't forget to label lah. Okay, label this female. Okay, now we try to look at the males. Okay, males is already given at here. So now we just follow it. Wait a minute. So female here. Okay, lower quarter actually. Okay, now we can try to close the loop. Okay, now we see what is the males. Actually, is 20,300. Okay, so now we can label it here. Actually, maximum is 26,600. So we look, okay, here. Okay, this is for male. I hope the guys can understand this part. Okay, now we try to look at the next question. Question 2. A summary of the speed k kilometers per hour of the 22 cars passing a current point given the following informations. Okay, these informations, find the variance of the speed and hence find the value of the, okay, summations of the x squared. Okay, so now we try, okay, how we need to solve. Okay, very, a minute. So first, I need to find the median first. Okay, okay, now we try to look at the median. Okay, this median equals to, okay, x minus 15. And okay, so now we can take 81.4 divided by 22. So you will get 3.7. Okay, now we already get 3.7, right? Okay, now we can look at the, okay, variance. Okay, so now we write, okay, variance. Okay. Okay, variance formula, actually we also know that, okay, here actually is x minus 15 square divided n minus, okay, the mean. So you can take 671.0 divided 22 minus 3.7 square equals to, okay, 16.81. Okay, we already find this because as we know, variance and standard deviation is same. Okay, whatever is mean is already changed, but still it same. Okay, after we will solve this, right? So now we need to find the summations of the x squared. Okay, so now we can take, wait a minute, let me to think. Okay. Okay, now we can take, okay, we need to find the new mean. Okay, not actually new mean, actually it's original mean. Okay, so now we can take this formula, x equals to a plus this. So, actually a is 15. So we can take 15 plus 3.7. So we will get 53.7. Okay, now we'll try to look at this x squared divided 22 minus 53 squared equals to 16.8. Okay, so because as we know lah, okay, standard deviations or variance actually is the same. Okay, whatever the number of sets is increase or decrease. Okay, so now we solve this part. Okay, so we get this. Okay, multiply 22. So you will get 63,811. Okay, okay, we already solved. Now we try to look at the question 3. Okay, question 3. A book club sends the 6 paperback and 2 hardback books to the Mr. Han. She chose 4 of these books at a random to take with her on holiday. The random variable x represents the number of the paperback books she chose. Okay, so we need to follow this stuff, these informations. So let's see the question A. Show that the probability that she chose exactly 2 paperback books is 3 over 14. So these are actually I can using the combinations to solve it. Why? Okay, you see okay, P, because she want to choose exactly 2 paperbacks, right? Okay. So now okay, we try to see. Okay, for the total, because we got 8 books, okay, 6 paperback and 2 hardbacks, but I just choose 4 books only. Okay, so we can write total here is 8C4 for this probability. Okay, now we try to look at the this part. Okay, we can write because he just take 2 paperbacks, right? So we can take 6C2. Okay, so we're equals to 13 over 14. Okay, now we already solved. Now we try to look at the next part. Question B. Draw up the probability distribution table for X. Okay, so now we need to draw lah. Okay, so let's see how we need to draw for this. Okay, okay, now we try to look at the second sentence because the X is represent number of the paperbacks books she chose, right? So now we actually can take hmm, a minute to yes. Okay, so I write X here. Okay, so I write P bracket X equals to 2. X here. So okay, we take 2 first. Okay, after that 3. Okay, going on 4. Okay, because 4 is already maximum lah. So now we can take, okay, here we already got informations, 3 over 14. Okay, now we complete the table first. Okay, we need to calculate for P when x equals to 3, x equals to 4. Okay, now we calculate that right now. Okay, so I take px equals to 3 equals to, wait a minute, okay, equals to 6c3 over 8c4. Okay, so now we multiply 2 times here, so you will get 4 over 7. Okay, and p, okay, we also can take 4 equals to 6c4. Okay, so now I can put inside here. Okay, we already solved. So, okay, now we can look at the next part. Okay, now we try to look at the question C. Okay, you are given that expectation equals to 3. So find the variance. Okay, so how we need to find? Okay, you need should be remember the formula. Okay, formula. Okay, so now I'll write the formula first. Variance equals to summations x squared probability minus expectations. Or we also can say mean. Also can, no problem. So now you can take 2 square multiply 3 over 14 plus 3 square times, wait a minute, 3 square times 4 over 7 plus 4 square times 3 over 14 minus 3 square. Okay, okay, wait a minute, I calculate first. Okay, so I will get the answer. Okay, here is 6 over 7 plus 36 over 7 plus 24 over 7 minus 3 square. Okay, so the last, I will get 3 over 7, or you can write in the decimal place, 0.429. Make sure in 3 single figures lah. Okay. So a petrol station find the deal sales in the liters are normally distributed within mean 4,520 and standard deviations 516. Find on how many days of the year, assume, okay, 365 days. The daily sales can be expected exists, okay, exists 3,900 liters. So we can take, okay, T bracket X more than 3,900 equals to, okay, we can take Z because, okay, Z should be more, okay, using this formula minus, okay, 4,520 divided 560. Okay, so equals to P Z more than negative 1.107. So it equals to, okay, this probability. Okay, because why? Okay, let me to show you the graph first. Okay, fz. Because now you see, okay, the z here is here. So actually it's more than, wait, z. But we can actually also similar to this graph, right? Okay, so, okay, because it's same, so we can take from the table, so 0.8657. 57 times 365 equals to 316 days. Now we'll try to look at the next question. Okay, question B. Okay, the daily sales at another petrol station are X liter and X is a normally distributed with the mean M and standard deviation 516. Is the given that X more than 8,000 equals to 0.122. Okay, so now I write here. Okay, so I can take Z more than, okay, I change to the Z score first. Okay, so I can change like this way. So I should be take 1 minus 0.122 equals to 0.87, 878. Okay, so I will directly, because this x7 actually is probability. So you see the tables to take. Okay, 516. So equals to, okay, actually I take got is 1.165. Okay, now you see, okay, sketch. Because you say less, you see, is 8,000 minus M. So the 0.122 is here. So actually you need to minus lah. So you can get it. Okay. So you will get negative M equals to negative 7,347.6. So M will equals to 7,347.6. Okay, let's see the question C. Okay, question C. Find the probability that the daily sales at this petrol station as accepted 8,000 liters on fewer than 2 of the 6 Tuesdays. Okay, so it means you need to take the probability is 0.878 from this question. Okay, so okay, the Q should be 0.212. So you take 1 minus 0.878 lah. So because this is a binomial distributions question, so you can solve this like this way. One, and then put here 5. So it equals to 0.840. Okay, now we'll try to look at the question 5. Okay, use an as approximations. So okay, now probability 3 equals to 1 over 6. Now I can see NP, what is the value? 19 times 1 over 6. So you will get 15. Yes, actually it's more than 5 lah. Now you also can find the variance. NPQ. So you take 15 bracket 5 over 6. So you will get 75 over 6. Okay, so now you can see, because you say less than 18, so x less than 18, but you need to do the continuity, correction continuity. So x 17.5. So now you need to change to the z score. Okay, 17.5 minus 15 divided by, okay, because this is variance, so we change to the standard deviations. So you will get 0.7071 here. Okay, so I take from the tables 0.7580 minus 0.0021, 0.7559. So I'm giving the answer in 3 decimal place, 0.756. Now we look at the question B. Justify your use as approximated in the part A. Because this is because NP equals to 15 more than 5. NQ equals to 75, also more than 5. So normal justified. Okay, on another occasions, the same die is thrown repeatedly until a tree. Okay, this is a geometry distributions. So let's see. Okay, now we can see. Okay, uh, find the property orbiting a tree requires fewer than 7 throws. So because this is a geometry distributions, the Q's here. So it actually is 1 to less than, right? So you can write this formula first. So now you can take P, the 1 to less than 7 equals to 1 minus 5 over 6. Okay, 6 here. So you will get the answer is 0 0.665. Okay. Okay, question 6 is a permutations or combinations question. Okay, a group of 8 friends travel to the airport in 2 taxis P and Q. Each taxi can take 4 passengers lah. So 8 friends divided themselves into the 2 groups of the 4. One group for the taxi P and the one group for the taxi Q with the John and Sarah traveling in the same taxis. Find the number different ways in which this can be done. Okay, so now we try to look and draw first. Okay, it means these are 4 passengers. This taxi Q. Okay, I draw. These are taxis P. So, okay, for this here, okay, John and Sarah are together. Okay, so, okay, now we just have the 6 persons here. Okay, so actually this you need to use the combinations lah. Okay, this actually got 2 ways to solve this question. So first way, okay, 6 people, you can take 6C2, put in the queue. Okay, multiply because we got 4 person in this taxi P mark already shows. So you just take 4C4. Okay, you get the answers. Second, second ways, you can take 6C4, put into the P first. And then we got last one. These last 2 persons will sure sitting in the uh taxi queue. Okay, so we take 2C2. So you get here is 15. Here also 15. Okay, so you calculate the total equals to 15 plus 15 equals to 13. Okay, now we'll look at the next. Okay, each taxi can take 1 passenger in the front and 3 passengers in the back. See the diagrams. Okay, mark 6 in the front. Okay, here of the taxi P. John and Sarah sit in the back of the taxi P next to each other. It means John and Sarah will sit together. Right here. B. Find the number of the different seating arrangement that are now possible for the 8 persons. Okay, now you see, this is keywords. Arrangement. It means you need to using the permutations to calculate it. Okay, so now we see this part. Okay, you see, one. Okay, these are John and Sarah's here. Okay, so now we got 5 persons, right? Okay, we take 5P1 for this part. 5P1, right? Okay, because John and Sarah sometimes they can change. So we take 2 factorials. Okay, now he already combined it. So now we see just 2 ways only. So we also take 2 factorials. Now, okay, we already got 4 persons in the taxi queue. Maybe sometimes they will be changed. Okay, let's A, B, C, 4 persons. Maybe you can sitting like this way. Or also can sitting like, okay, this D, B, C, A. Also can. So we should be take the 4 factorials here. So now we can take 5P1 multiply 2 factorials multiply 2 factorials multiply 4 factorials here. Okay, I hope the guys can understand because sometimes you see this question is maybe it's like confused, but I hope this can understand okay. So now we can take 5P1 times 2 factorials times 2 factorials times 4 factorials will equals to 418. Okay, now we already solved. Okay, now we look at the last questions. Last question is probability. Okay, the back A consists of four balls number 2, 4, 5, 8. Okay. B, okay, five balls. Okay. Back C is sevens. Okay, one ball is selected at a random of the each, but it means A, B, C, we will collect, okay, one ball. Okay, now is look at the two events. Even X is exactly two of the selection balls have the same numbers. Even Y is a ball selection from the A has number 4. Okay, now I try to uh, labels for you. Okay, these two are using the purple color. For the red, are using the 8. Okay, so now, okay, we see, okay, how we need to solve. So I can try, okay, first, we can say uh, two numbers because this is already sure for two. Because, okay, A, 1, you can two, C also you can do, but B, no. So it's, uh, how to say, it's fully the with the even x. Okay, so now we can take 2. This is a no, 2. Here is 2. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is a 4 balls, right? You get the balls numbered 2. So actually it's 1 over 4. Multiply 1. Because why? Because actually it's sure. You take whatever the numbers you will get, property is 1 for the no true lah labels. Now we look at the C. Okay, here is actually 7, also 1. So now we will get 1 over 28. So P here. So okay, first, now we start first. Okay, 8, 8, no 8. Okay, so you will get 1 over 4 times 2 over 5 times. Okay, now here we take 3 over 7. So now we will get 3 over 17. P. Okay, 8, no 8, 8 here. So I will take 1 over 4, 3 over 5 times 4 over 7. So I will get 3 over 35. Okay, now we try to look at last. Okay, no ball first. Okay, 8, 8. So I get 3 over 4 times 2 over 5 times 4 over 7. So I will get 6 over 3 over 5. So now we try uh to get the it. Okay, so now we can take Px equals to 1 over 28 plus 3 over 17 plus 3 over 35 plus 6 over 35. So my answer, I will get 47 over 114, or you can write decimal place 0.336. Okay, now we'll try to look at question B. Okay, find the P, X, and Y. Hence, determine the whether on inverse X and Y are independent. Okay, we try write this formula. Okay, for the Y, actually you see, you look back, okay, it's the number 4. It means one numbers only for in this back A only. So actually is the probability Y is 1 over 4. So now, okay, we try the PX. Okay, because we need to get this right. So you can take, okay, now I label here, okay, back A, because you just take back A only, you cannot take others. So you just take back B, back C. Okay, it means this back B should be 8. This also 8. Here is 4. So back A actually is not 8 lah. So now we can take 1 over 4, multiply 2 over 5, multiply 4 over 7, equals to 2 over 35. Now we try to multiply ways. Okay, px multiply py. Okay, so we take 47 over 114 multiply 1 over 4. So you will get 47 over 516. So actually it's not same. So you can say not independent. So 2 not 35 not equals to 47 over 516. So now we look at the question C. Find the probability that two balls are numbered to given that, okay, this is question say given that exactly two of the selections selected balls have the same numbers. Okay, this is a conditional probability. Okay, so now C, okay, P number is 2. So actually is 1 over 28. Okay, why I know? Look back this. Okay, now we look, okay, the same number, okay, actually we already calculate that. Okay, so same number is 47 over 114. So, okay, now we can take, okay, P 2, okay, given that same number, right? Okay, so you can take 1 over 28 divided 47, 114. So you will get the answer actually is 5 over 47, 0.106. Here, okay. So we already discussed, okay, we already finished to discuss this paper. Okay, if you like my this video, please subscribe and like and share these videos, okay, for your friends. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We see you in the next video. Goodbye.